Hey, this is Ben. I have the Secura 60-minute countdown visual timer. We got the green and white one, and we bought this because we homeschool our kids and we needed a way to set up a timer for the kids to be able to see visually the countdown. It does come with the timer and some basic instructions. It does require 2 AAA batteries, and this does not come with the batteries. So there is some controls here in the back. There is a volume control, so you can have the alarm to lower volume or the higher volume. And then this is for the alarm. It will go either for 3 seconds or 60 seconds. If you set it for 60 seconds, there is a way to stop the alarm before it gets to the end of that 60 seconds. To operate, all you do is turn it to the desired time, and these are labeled by minutes, so it'll go all the way up to 60 minutes or 1 full hour. And when you turn it, it gives a visual cue, and then we'll start running right away. It's easy to turn. It doesn't make any sound either, so I don't hear a ticking or any mechanism going on inside. So let's speed it up so we can watch it get down to the end. All right, so the timer has run out, and here's what the beep sounds like. So if you have it set to the 60, you can turn off the timer before it reaches the 60 seconds by going to the 5 and back, and that will stop the long timer. I love the visual. I love the color. It's easy for kids to see. Has a timer so you can set it and forget it. And this is just a great product. This is going to work out real well for us. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.